We're going to learn how to sort data. So I have a table and I'd like to arrange the surnames in alphabetical order. So how I do that is I click into the table and then my Table Tools contextual tab will come up. I select the Layout tab. Then go to the Data group and I select the Sort icon. It will then bring up the Sort dialog box. I'd like to sort the surname firstly, so I'm going to select Surname. Then I determine whether I'd like it in ascending or descending. So if it's ascending, it'll start with A and then go through to Z. Then, once the surnames are sorted, I'd like to sort the names. So I'm going to select Name and keep it on ascending. Then, I'd like to sort by salary. Because it's a number, it'll come up. Just make sure that number is selected. Then you select OK. Now you'll see that the surnames are in alphabetical order. And the names are also in alphabetical order where the surnames are the same. And then if we have the same name and surname, the salary has been sorted in ascending order. So you'll see the first, Michael Liebenberg, is 1,000. The second is 11,000. And that is how you sort data in Microsoft Word. We're going to learn how to control cell layout by merging cells and splitting cells. How we merge and split cells: we put our cursor into the table, go to our Table Tools contextual tab, and we select the Layout tab. Now to merge cells, you select the cells that you'd like to merge into one cell. You go up to your Merge group and you select Merge Cells. So I'm going to do that again. You select the cells that you want merged into one. Go to your Merge group and you select Merge Cells. To split cells, you put your cursor in the cell that you would like to split, and you go to your Merge group and you select Split Cells. The Split Cells dialog box will come up. This is where you determine the number of columns and the number of rows that you would like to split the cell into. So I'm going to keep it on the default. It's 2 columns in 1 row, and I'm going to select OK. So that's broken that cell into 2 cells. So I'm going to try that again. I'm just going to split this small cell here. So you put your cursor in the cell that you would like to split. You select Split Cells. I'm going to change this so you see the difference. Then I'm going to select OK. And you'll see that that has been split into 2 cells. And then again, go to Split Cells, change it to 3 columns, select OK. You'll see it's been split into 3 separate cells, 3 columns in that cell. And that is how you split and merge cells in a table. I'm going to learn how to insert a chart. And how to do that is that we go to the Insert tab, the Illustrations group, and we click on the Chart icon. It will then bring up the Insert Chart dialog box. This is a list of all the different types of charts that you can choose from. It's the column chart, line, with the pie, bar, area, scatter, stock, surface, radar, and combo. I'm just going to use a column, and you'll see under every different type of chart they have the different styles within that chart. So we have a clustered column, stacked column, 100% stacked column, 3D clustered column, 3D stacked column, 3D 100% stacked column, in a 3D column. So I'm just going to click the simple one, clustered column, and I'm going to select OK. Now my chart appears, as well as an Excel spreadsheet, and that is where I input my data. I'm going to change my data in here, and you'll see as I do that, the chart changes. And so on. And if I change the wording in the spreadsheet, it will also change in the chart itself. I'm going to call it Q1, and you'll see it's changed. Q2 and Q3. And it works the same way for categories, so you can change the name over there. If you want to change the color of your chart, you go to your chart styles group and you select change colors, and it'll bring down a list of all the colors that you can choose from. So you can choose on a group of colors like so. Alternatively, you can right click on each section of the column, and you can choose your colors manually from a list. So you select fill, choose your color, and then there you go. You can also outline. So I'm going to select black outline, and you'll see green is now outlined. I'm going to do the same for the yellow. You can also change the weight. And again here, use a black outline. And I'm going to change the style just to show you can make it dash. And there you go. Now to add and change chart elements, you go up to chart layouts. You select the add chart element icon. Here we can change the primary horizontal and primary vertical. So you'll see the difference there. Then we've got the axis titles. So you can remove them and change them from primary or horizontal. We've got the chart title. You can select none, above chart, or centered overlay. We've got data labels, so you will see the effect of those. Then you've got data table. You can select with legend keys and no legend keys. We've got error bars. We can select whether we want grid lines. We can select whether we want a legend and the location of the legend. Finally, a trend line. And I'll show you how that works. You can also select your quick layout button, and this will change the layout of the chart. As you can see, if you want to change your chart styles, go to your chart styles group. You can select different styles. Select that style there. Now if I wanted to change the data, I just go up to my data group and I select edit data. And there I can edit my data again. You'll see changes as I edit it. And that is how you insert a chart in Microsoft Word.